Sasuke. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it. Oh my gosh, the lighting is so good. I can't believe I did this. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Oh, wow, wow. Hi, Mami Bubot. Anong Ariana Grande? Ano masasabi mo sa aking look, Mami Bubot? Ha, dito si Ariana Grande. Ito si Elsa. Ni Pepito Manaloto. Charot.
Ay, hindi naman nga ako.
Ito pang hi guys. Dito. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel.
Wait lang, naka-zoom in. Isa pa, go.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Ian H. Mua, or also known as Ian Anrasa. And today we're gonna do this look. Basta this look. Watch me turn from this to this. Before we continue to the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. Bring back my god. So first, ipaprime ko muna ang aking face with the primer. Ayan. So, the primer that I use is UGB that we bought from Korea, and I use this to color correct all the imperfections on my face. Now, I'm using my fingers to blend it onto my face and to color correct all the redness, the acne scars, and all the kasumpaan sa aking muka. Ayan. Matanggal ang lahat ng mga imperfections sa ating face. Ayan, fresh. Now, we're gonna use my L'Oreal foundation. Hindi pala L'Oreal ko. L'Oreal ni Mami. Sorry, Mami, I'm using your foundation. Okay, I'm just putting the foundation onto the center of my face. And also to the... where the light bounces back. Now, I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever HD foundation onto my whole face. Now, I'm gonna use this onto my whole face na. Not just onto the center of my face, but onto the neck, onto the forehead, and, you know, just the whole face. Moving on to my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade White. I'm dabbing it just a little bit onto the very center of my face. I have to be careful because it is really bright and it could mess up the transformation if you go along your whole face, because you're gonna look like Casper, the friendly ghost. But anyways, I'm just dabbing it to the center of my face and then blending the excess out. I'm not just only putting onto my cheeks, but also to my chin and also to my forehead. So, I'm not yet contented sa niligay ko under ng aking eye. So, I'm putting it all over again under my eye. I'm dabbing it carefully. Now, I'm using my Nichidol loose powder in the shade Creamy Glow. It is to set the under eye area and other parts of my face, such as the nose, the chin, and also my forehead. Boo! So, I'm using my Naked Petite Heat palette from Urban Decay, and I'm using the shade Hot Spell to create a first layer or the base on my eyelids. I'm just following the hollows of my eyelids, and then I'm going back to my Urban Decay palette, dipping it on to strike, shade strike, and defining my cut crease. So I'm just buffing out all the excess eyeshadow powder onto my brush and buffing it all out on my eyelids. Now I'm using a more darker shade to create a hollow effect onto my eyelids and defining it more and more, or deeper and deeper. I'm taking my concealer brush to clean up all the mess that we did on our eyelid a while ago and to define the cut crease. I'm cleaning it all up and it looks snatch. Yes. Now I'm using a warm tone eyeshadow to blend the outer corner of my eyes and creating a hollow effect onto the side of the eyes so that the cut crease will pop even more and create a like a cut crease effect on the eye. Now I'm putting a champagne shade of glitter onto the center of my lids so that it will pop, like pop it even more. Moving on to the bottom lids, I'm just applying the shades that we used earlier onto the upper lids and smoking it out. Smoking it out. Yes. I'm cleaning up all the mess to create a eye bags. Yes, I need to create a fake eye bags. Like, an aegusal when you call in Korea. Here I'm putting my liquid eyeliner, an Ariana Grande inspired eyeliner. Just a little bit of wing. So that's not an Ariana Grande inspired. It's just a cat eye, simple cat eye. Yeah. I'm filling it in because a while ago we just outlined the liner. Now I fill it in. Now I'm connecting the eyeliner from the bottom part up to the upper part. Yes. So as you can see, this is my most favorite part in this makeup transformation. It is the brows because the most iconic part of her is the brows, the very thick brows. I'm just outlining the edges and then lining it up to Jesus. Just kidding. Now, honey, we need some surgery. Okay, so I'm using a brush to define the nose, contouring it just like her. Not so thin, but just a little bit thin, As you can see, as we go along, I add more darker and darker shade onto my nose because a while ago we just put just a very light shade and then building up the colors, building up the contour to make it even more snatchable. Yes, snatchable. I added a highlight with a concealer and blending it with my finger. Moving on to the contour. You can see I'm not going on top of my cheekbones. I am contouring below my cheekbones because we need to copy the face shape of her, and her cheekbones is very big. That is why I contoured below my cheeks to make it look bigger and better. Now I'm adding a pop of blush. Not so red, not so pink, just pinkish. You know, pinkish white glow. So you might also want to put contour below your lips because it will make your lips powder. You know, powder, just like Kylie Jenner. Now I'm using a brush to contour my lips. Yes, you heard it right. We contour the lips to make it look bigger and better as always. I look like I have a lip botox. Is it right? Botox or Botox? Adding another layer of lipstick to make it glossier. And retouching all the lines that we need to highlight. So guys, we're almost done, and I'm just doing a quick retouch of everything. I'm gonna be right back when I have the contact lens, the eyelashes, the wig, the outfit, and everything. Okay, after I retouch, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the world. Char. So now we're done, and I'm gonna be right back. Goodbye, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you love this ethereal look. Comment down below on what are your opinions about the makeup or the look that I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I hope you learned a lot from me.